You have got to be kidding me. So we had a dealership that reached out to us that was losing money in their service department and had been for years, and wanted us to do an analysis of their department to find out where they were hemorrhaging this money. And you know what? It did not take a rocket scientist to figure this out. So this was the report as it came back to me. Now understand, this was a domestic dealership in a very, very strong market. This dealership is currently doing between 35 to 50 ROs per day. And this is the staff they have that they feel they need to accomplish this goal. So here's what they've got. They currently have a service and parts director. They have a service manager. They have 4 main shop advisors, 1 quick lane advisor, 1 internal service advisor. They have a warranty administrator. They have an assistant warranty administrator. They have a full-time dispatcher. They have a parts manager. They have an assistant parts manager. They have a full-time service BDC manager and a full-time loaner car manager that only has a fleet of 10 cars. They also have 2 parts counter people, 2 full-time BDC reps, and a full-time service cashier. And they do all of this to support 7 technicians and 2 quick lube techs. And remember, they're only doing between 35 to 50 ROs per day. And when we gave them our analysis and told them this is where they were hemorrhaging money, their response was, well, some of these people have been with us for years. We're not letting anybody go. And they wonder why they're not making any money in service. Unbelievable. Good luck, everyone.